Michelle from the Bead Gallery, and today I'm going to show you how to make these super cute, super easy earrings that we're going to be making from some pre-wrapped gemstones, a little bit of bubble chain, a cute charm, in this case it's a little teeny starfish, and some jump rings. Okay. To start, I'm going to pre-open all of my jump rings. So I have about 5 open here, and I'm going to open the last one. It's just easier if you open everything before you get started, like that. Okay, and now we're going to start to assemble these earrings. So I'm going to start from the top down. So I have my first jump ring. It's open. I'm going to hook on my ear wire like this, and 3 of my little wrapped gemstones. Like that. I have 3 different colors of them. You can use all the same color if you want. And my little piece of bubble chain. Everything is on here now, and I'm going to very carefully close it. So far it looks like this. Next I'm going to get another jump ring, 3 more stones, and I'm going to hook it on the top bubble, like this. So my cluster is going to hang in the bottom bubble. And then I'm going to attach my starfish. Now the starfish has a front and a back, so you do want to make sure that when you attach it, the starfish is facing forward when the earring is on. Just this way. Go, then we do the same thing for the second side. You do want to make sure that the jump rings are closed really well so that you don't see the seam. We're using the 4mm premium jump rings, so they close really well and they're tempered so that they're nice and sturdy when you close them. Okay, let's put it on the top bubble. That's the one that's closest to the ear wire. And one more charm and we're done. If you don't have pre-wrapped gemstones handy, you can always grab a few teeny little beads and wrap them on your head pins. Just like that. If you need a refresher on that technique, that is found in our basic wire wrap video, in case you want to check that one out. Now, wasn't that easy? And so cute.